Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create Mulled windows. So as example, you can create a single wall and we can insert the window objects. So we use the default and you can click on the wall. Create for the perspective view and you can move to drag off the plan view. So we have this default window and the next you can resize the window. You can select the window by using the selection tools and then we can resize the window, okay, like this, just for example, and you can move to the bottom a bit. Now you can go to window specifications. In here we use for the fixed glass, and for another options like casing you can uncheck intel seal, uncheck again for the interior seal, says unchecks, and we only use the frame. Click OK. Now we can copy these objects by using the multiple tools. Click these icons, multiple copy, and sort into the center point. Click hold, you can move to the top to copy the objects. So we have these three window, and I will move the window. You can select the second window, use the move tools point by point. Okay, from these points to the bottom here to connect, and then click again, use move tools to move point to point. After it, you can select these three window. You can press shift button to select the multiple window, and then click the make mulled unit, so it will be automatically create the mulled window. Okay, that's it for basic Shift Architect tutorial how to create mulled window. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.